Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of Paris P2P, a community dedicated to all things peer-to-peer. It's amazing what they're doing.
Absolutely. I've been following their activities for a while. So what's the core mission of Paris P2P? What makes them tick?
Essentially, they're a hub for anyone in Paris interested in peer-to-peer technologies. From conferences and workshops to hackathons and even co-working spaces, they're fostering a really strong community around P2P principles.
And it sounds like they're quite active, judging by their upcoming events. I see they have a festival planned for April 9th to 11th, 2025. A pretty big undertaking.
Huge! The Paris P2P Festival No. 2 is completely free and includes conferences, workshops, a hackathon, and free co-working. They're even offering a $10,000 cash prize for the hackathon winners. That's a serious investment in the P2P community.
Wow, that's impressive. It shows a real commitment to nurturing talent and innovation in the P2P space. I also noticed a strong emphasis on open source. Is that a core tenet of their philosophy?
Definitely. The whole festival is open source, and their events are all about sharing knowledge and collaborating on projects. It's all about transparency and community-driven development. It's, a really beautiful example of the P2P ethos in action.
I see. Interesting. They have a pretty extensive list of sponsors too, which is great to see. It suggests a healthy level of industry support for their work.
Absolutely. They've got a diverse range of sponsors, from Birdie Technologies to Protocol Labs, showing the broad appeal of their initiative. It's a testament to the growing interest in P2P technologies.
And the speakers! They've got some really notable figures lined up, like Manfred Touron from Birdie Technologies and Loic Titran, who's known for his work in computer science. It's a pretty impressive lineup.
Exactly. And don't forget Zuma, the founder of Samurai World, who's also a key coordinator within the Paris P2P community. They're bringing together some serious expertise.
It's all very exciting. It seems like Paris P2P is doing a fantastic job of building a thriving community around P2P technologies. We're really setting a high bar for other similar initiatives.
I completely agree. They're not just hosting events. They're cultivating a real sense of community and collaboration. It's inspiring to see this level of dedication and passion for P2P. And the fact that they're so active on Twitter and Discord makes it easy to stay connected and involved.
Yeah, their online presence is definitely a key part of their success. It makes it easy for people to get involved, regardless of whether they can attend events in person. It's a really well-rounded approach.
So, to wrap things up, Paris P2P is a fantastic example of a thriving P2P community, organizing impactful events, fostering collaboration, and attracting significant industry support. They're definitely worth keeping an eye on. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We'll catch you next time.
Bye-bye.